Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm talking about airplane accident lawyer. So let's start the video. Okay, so let's start. California airplane accident lawyer. Wheel airline travel is quicker and safer than traveling by car or train. Airplane crash can be devastating and often result in catastrophic injuries and death. Okay, then planes doesn't just fall from the sky. Accidents are often the result of equipment malfunctions, design defects. Okay, defects. Okay, then defects, faulty repair or maintenance, pilot errors or air traffic control negligence. Regardless of the cause, accident survivors to victims families are entitled to compensation for their physical, emotional and financial suffering. Okay, then the law firm of JSY represent aviation accident victims in Los Angeles, San Diego, Orange County, San Bernardino County, San Francisco County, Saram, Sacramento country, and all of the California. Our experienced airplane accident lawyers understand the complex aviation laws that guide those cases. We routinely collaborate with a team of investigation and aircraft experts in order to ascertain whether negligence played a role in a particular plane crash. Okay, then if you were injured in an aviation accident in the United States that involved a domestic airline, a lawsuit can be brought in the U.S. courts at the same time. Airplane accident victims injured in plane crash outside of the country can also pursue legal remedies under international agreements. So then whether a crash is caused by pilot error, repair errors, or other human error, the experienced airplane accident lawyers at JSY have the legal know how to prove the elements of a successful negligence claim. We also recognize that that defects in the equipment design or structural problems of an airplane are often the cause of plane crashes. In those cases, we can bring a product liability lawsuit against a third party such as manufacturer or party supplier. Okay, then who is liable for an airplane accident. Okay, according to the Montreal Convention, which established rules for international air flight in 1999, the carrier is strictly liable for damage, meaning the airline has absolute legal responsibility for an injury it causes. No matter what the cause, the airline is responsible for compensating each victim for a specified amount. Okay, then beyond that amount, if the airplane can prove that the damage did not result from any negligence, wrongful act, or omission on the part of the carrier, other parties may also be liable. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and join with me, like, comment, share. Goodbye, tada, assalamu alaikum.